FDA halts Sarepta's Elevidys gene therapy after 3 deaths, safety concerns, and clinical trial hold. In a shocking turn of events, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has taken drastic measures against Sarepta Therapeutics, placing a clinical hold on their gene therapy trials for limb-girdle muscular dystrophy and requesting the suspension of Elevidys distribution. But here's where it gets controversial. Sarepta refused to comply voluntarily, prompting the FDA to take further action. Let's dive into the details of this unprecedented move. On July 18, 2025, the FDA announced its decision to halt Sarepta Therapeutics' ongoing gene therapy clinical trials for limb-girdle muscular dystrophy due to 3 recent deaths potentially linked to their products. These deaths raised new safety concerns regarding the exposure of study participants to unreasonable risks of illness or injury. In response, the FDA revoked Sarepta's platform technology designation, signaling a significant setback for the company. However, the story doesn't end there. The FDA also demanded that Sarepta immediately cease all shipments of Elevidys, their adeno-associated virus vector-based gene therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD. Sarepta, however, declined to follow this directive, leading to heightened tensions between the 2 parties. According to FDA Commissioner Marty Makary, MD, MPH, when patient safety is jeopardized, we act swiftly. While acknowledging the importance of providing access to treatments for unmet medical needs, the FDA demonstrated its willingness to intervene when serious safety signals arise. And this is the part most people miss. The 3 deaths were attributed to acute liver failure in individuals treated with Elevidys, or experimental gene therapy using the same AAVrh74 serotype found in Elevidys. One of these fatalities occurred during a clinical trial for limb-girdle muscular dystrophy. Vini Prasad, MD, MPH, Director of the FDA's Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, emphasized that patient safety is our top priority, and we will not tolerate products with risks outweighing benefits. The FDA's decision to halt any clinical trial where participants face unreasonable risks highlights its commitment to safeguarding public health. Elevidys, developed by Sarepta Therapeutics using their AAVrh74 platform technology, aims to treat DMD by delivering a gene that prompts the production of microdystrophin, a shorter form of the dystrophin protein. This therapy is administered via a single intravenous dose. DMD is a severe and progressive genetic disorder characterized by muscle weakness and atrophy, resulting from defects in the dystrophin gene. In light of the new safety information, the FDA revoked Sarepta's platform technology designation for AAVrh74, citing insufficient preliminary evidence to demonstrate its safety across multiple drugs. Furthermore, Elevidys received traditional approval for use in ambulatory DMD patients, aged 4 and above on June 20, 2024, and was later approved for non-ambulatory patients, under the accelerated approval pathway, on June 22, 2023. However, given the recent safety concerns, the FDA informed Sarepta that the indication should now be limited to ambulatory patients only. The FDA remains vigilant in monitoring the risk of acute liver failure following gene therapies utilizing Sarepta's AAVrh74 platform technology, considering additional regulatory actions as necessary. As we continue to uncover more about this situation, it raises important questions about the balance between innovation and safety in the biotech industry. What do you think? Should the FDA have taken such drastic measures against Sarepta Therapeutics? Share your thoughts in the comments below.